Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of improved sound on your rooted Android device. We'll be installing the Mi Sound and Dolby Atmos Redmi K-40 Magisk module, which can potentially enhance your audio experience. Now, this guide is specifically for rooted devices. If you haven't rooted your phone yet, be aware that it can be a risky process. Make sure you understand the potential consequences before proceeding. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's what you'll need. You need one of these rooting tools installed. We highly recommend using Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask, especially if you have a read-only ROM. If you're not using a MIUI ROM, you'll need this additional module first, that is MIUI. Ideally, you'll be using a MIUI ROM for full functionality, but the UI might still show up on other ROMs. Using this module on a read-only ROM without Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask can potentially cause a boot loop or even soft brick your device. Proceed with caution. If you have any other Dolby Magisk modules installed, remove them before proceeding. You only need this specific module. If you're not on a MIUI ROM, install the MIUI Core Magisk module first. Now, the main event, head over to the Magisk app, Kernel Su app. If you're using any other audio modification modules, you might also need the AML Audio Modification Library Magisk module. If you're using Kernel Su, make sure to disable Unmount modules by default in its settings. Restart your device once more. That's it. With this module installed, you should have access to Mi Sound and potentially Dolby Atmos features for an enhanced audio experience. Remember, this guide is for rooted devices only. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.